Hey friends, have you ever wanted to make your own animated GIFs for your chats or social media? Well, I found the easiest way to do it using Canva, and it's a total game changer. Whether you want to create something fun for your stories or add a little flair to your posts, Canva makes it super simple. No need for fancy software, just follow a few easy steps and you will have your own personalized GIFs in no time. Let me show you how. It's seriously that easy. So hey guys, and welcome back in another video. I hope everything's doing well first, and in today's video I will show you the step-by-step how to create a GIF using canva.com. So the first step that you have to do is open your browser and dive into canva.com. This is the homepage, as you can see. So right now let's just firstly know what is Canva. Okay, so Canva is basically the super easy online design tool where you can create all kinds of cool stuff like social media posts, presentations, posters, and more. It's perfect for anyone, even if you don't have a background in design. Now, here is the fun part on Canva. You can also make animated GIFs on it. It's super simple. Just pick a design, add some animations, and boom, you'll got your very own GIF to share with friends. Trust me, it's way easier than you think. So right now all I have to do is just come back to the top right. I will show you how you can get started and sign up by clicking over apply now, or you can just click over signing up in the top right or log in to find your account. I already have an account. In the top right we have here my profile. I will just click over home, then you'll find a page, which is this one, as you can see. So it's very easy to sign up with Canva. You have just to write your email address and your password, then you get started. Right now all I have to do is just click over search your content and canvas, and you have to search for GIF, and you'll find this page with this results of templates, as you can see. I will just right now click over see all, or you can use other option, which is create a design, and you have just to click over it. Then you have to click over custom size, then you select here the size, of course, which is the width height, and you select the units as well, if it's inches, millimeters, or centimeters, and you get started. All right, so it's better to choose the div here and you start creating yours. All right, so let's just right now to select one of these templates we have in the top left here, 893 templates. I will select one of this, or right now I will just come back and I will select here the option of all filters, and I will select here the category first, if is it related to the business, such as document, flyers, graphs, or social media as well. Then we have here education, video, then we have here marketing. Also we have print products, card invitations as well, right? Then we have here also style. You can select your style, your theme as well, your language, your feature. Then we have here grade, subject, topic. The price, I will select the free one. Then about the color, I will select here the white one because I like it. So we have two that is selected, so I will just click right now over apply, and you will find here this templates. As you can see, we have in the top left 441 templates, so we have here just only with the category that is selected. So let's choose in together one. I will select, for example, this one. I like it because it's related to the business, and that's why I choose this one. I will just click over customize this template, and you'll find other page, which is this one, as you can see, and this is the page of designing your template. I will firstly delete this one because I don't like it. Right now I will just click over here and I will delete this one, as you can see. Also about this one, I will delete it like that, and you have just to keep this one. Here we have it right now. I will just here delete this one because I will make my own delete video as well, and then I will delete also the frame, and I will delete this one because I will add other options, as you can see. All right, so here we have it, how it looks right now. I'd like also the background of this page, this color. It's very simple and it's very attractive as well. All right, so let's get started right now with our GIF. Right now here we have in the left the option of design. You can just search for GIF, or you can just right now go to the elements, of course, and I will just go to the elements and I will search, for example, for something here like So we can just search for whatever you want. For example, we have here birthday. I will select birthday like that, and I will just go to the videos, and I will select one of these videos. As you can see, for example, let's just scroll down and let's choose it, for example, this one. I think it's better. As you can see, I will keep also this background because it's good, I think. Like that, it's good. I think it's good like that. And here we have it right now. I will just right now add other things. For example, I will just go to the text, of course, and I will add a heading, right? So I'll put this heading in the top, also in the middle. Then I will just double click, and then I will add here, for example, happy birthday, happy birthday, like that. As you can see, I think it's better like that. And right now we will just go to the elements, and I will just search for graphics. And here we have the graphics. Let's just show you of this. I will just select this one. I think it's better. I'll put this one here like that in the middle, and then I will select this one and I put it here. I'll modify also the size of this one, and I'll put it in the middle and the top like that. And you have just to get started right now. And I will add also other things. For example, we'll add a cake. So let's just searching for cake of birthday, and let's choose in one of these cakes right now. So let's just scroll down and let's search for a cake. All right, so we have some examples here. You can just choose one. So for example, let's just choosing, for example, let's choose this one, for example, and I'll modify the size as well. And also I will add other things here, so like this one, I'll put it here. I will select also this one. I'll put it here. Happy birthday again. And also this one here. And I will add here this one like that. And I'll put this one here. And here we have happy birthday. Oh, I'll put happy birthday in the middle. Then I'll put this one here more like that. And about this one, I put it here like that. Right? So here we have how it looks right now. Let's just click in over here to see it. And here we have our chef, how it looks. I will send it to my friends because it's his birthday, and I just chose this Canva to show you how you can do that. And also I will send it to my friends because today it's his birthday. Alright, so this is for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful. See you again in the next video. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and if you have any question, feel free to ask in the comment section below. I will be happy to help you guys. Have a fantastic day ahead.